A lathe machine is one of the most important machine tool which helps in the metal working industry. Main function of lathe is to remove the excess material in the form of chips by rotating the workpiece against stationary cutting tool. This is accomplished by holding the work securely rigid on a machine and turning against the cutting tool with which removes the metal from the workpiece. Various operations are performed such as facing, taper, turning, counter. In all this process, the basic principle is a lathe machine tool which removes unwanted material from a workpiece in the form of chips with the help of tool that travels across the workpiece and can be fed deep in the work. So first, the procedure for any operation is fixing the tool in the tool post, fixing the workpiece in the chuck, and see that The the work hold between the two supports called center. Faceplate or chuck are used for holding the work and a mount on a machine shop spindle. Cutting tool is holding with the help of tool post. Movement of the job rotating about the spindle axis against the work tool if is fed. Tool moves either inclined along the works axis. And other factors you should see spindle speed, feed rate, which are the most important factor. Now, let me come across that operation on a turning. Before that, if the tool is moved parallel to the workpiece, you get a cylindrical surface is formed. If so, you can see on the sketch the tool is moving parallel to the workpiece. Okay, so you can see a cylindrical surface is formed. Similarly, if the tool is moved inclined to the workpiece, you can see you get a taper turning workpiece. So the operations of all the thing is that main function of tail is to cut the material properly. Tool should be harder than the material of the workpiece, should be rigidly held on the machine and should be fed or the progress in a definite way relative to the work. Now let us come to the various operations of a lathe machine. First is turning. What is turning? Turning is the operation of reducing a workpiece to produce a cone shape or cylindrical surface. The tool is what we're using is single point cutting tool. You need to adjust the see that the cutting angle is all proper and see that the tool is properly held in the tool post. Next is the phasing operation. Now what is phasing operation? Phasing operation is nothing but reduce the length of a workpiece to produce a flat surface with its axis. If you want to reduce the length or extra length of the metal, we normally go as to phasing operation. Phasing operation, same thing, tool is mounted on tool holder. Then same process is remove the unwanted material. So whichever operation you do, you should always position the tool properly in the tool post and the workpiece should be clamped properly in your 3-jaw or 4-jaw chuck should be tightened with a chuck key. Next, so this is the various figure what I'm showing for beginning of a face cut. This is how the this is the finishing facing operation. Facing operation leaves rather edge. So you can file also. If the surface is not smooth, you can do the filing operation. Now, next is contour turning. Contour turning operation is for what I have explained earlier. When you want the taper, if the tool is to be moved inclined to the axis, then it produces a taper surface. So you get a taper turning. In that various types are the parallel turning. In order to cut the material, so there are various sketch I have mentioned here for parallel turning, straight turning. Now, so here the various sketch of the tool and the workpiece should be placed for the types of turning. Next is chamfering. Now, chamfering is nothing but relieving the extreme end of a workpiece done to remove the burned parts, workpiece damage and have a better look. Knurling. Knurling is nothing but process of embroidering a diamond diamond shaped pattern on a work surface provide effective gripping surface on the workpiece to prevent it from slipping when operated. So this is how the knurling tool and the workpiece on which knurling is being done. So these are the various sketches I have explained here for knurling process. Next is cut-off or parting. That is operation of cutting a workpiece after machining to desired shape and size. Purpose involves rotating the workpiece along the chuck at half speed that of the turning by narrow parting off or perpendicular to the axis rotating the slide. Next is boring. Now what is boring? Boring is an operation of enlarging a hole, a cylindrical cavity, that is to produce an internal groove. Internal hole we do the help of boring operation with the help of boring tool. Next is threading. Threading is operation to produce helical groove on the cylindrical surface by feeding the tool longitudinally when the job is revolved between the center or the chuck. So drilling is another an operation of producing cylindrical hole in the workpiece by rotating the cutting edge of a cutter known as drill. Next is boring by enlarging a hole or cylindrical cavity to produce internal groove. Reaming, finishing the drill hole, giving a required size with the help of a tool known as reamer. We do the reaming operation. I've given and added few checks on drilling. So this is how the drilling operation is to be done. Threading again I have given a video. So hope. So main purpose, whatever operation you should do, you should take proper care while doing the lathe operation. So main function of principle is a machine tool which removes unwanted material from a workpiece in the form of chips with the help of tools that travel along the workpiece. Thank you. Hope you like this video.